In this video, we'll walk you through the theme settings page in Evlop, where you can customize the colors, fonts, and visual style of your mobile app to match your brand perfectly. To begin customizing the look and feel of your app, select Customize App from the Evlop sidebar. From the top navigation bar, click on Theme. This section allows you to define the global visual styles that will be applied across every page of your mobile app. Under Theme Colors, you can set a color scheme that matches your brand identity. Under Color Scheme, you can choose between a permanent light or dark mode, or select System to let the app automatically switch based on the user's device settings. Let's choose System. And from here, you can precisely define your primary and secondary colors for buttons and highlights, as well as functional colors for success, warning, and error messages. Branding continues with your typography. In the Custom Fonts section, you can select from a wide range of Google fonts to be installed in your app. Here you can choose your Google fonts. The installed fonts will be available here. You can assign different fonts for your primary body text and your accent or button text for both iOS and Android. Keep in mind that custom fonts will be visible in the live app and require a new app build to take full effect. Further down in the theme settings, you will find the Brand Images section. This is where you can upload your app header logo, which appears at the top of your home screen and within the drawer menu to reinforce your brand identity. You can also set product and collection placeholder images. These are displayed automatically whenever a specific product or collection image is missing from your Shopify store, ensuring your app layout always remains clean and consistent. In the App UI Color section, you can define the exact look of your app's interface. You can set the header background, which controls the top app bar, and choose a contrasting header text and icon color to ensure your logo and navigation icons stand out. Similarly, you can adjust the body background to create a clean canvas for your products, and set the footer background and icon colors to anchor your bottom navigation menu. For a more modern experience, you can also specifically configure app UI colors for dark mode. This allows you to choose deeper backgrounds and vibrant text colors that are easy on the eyes in low-light environments. By customizing these separately, you ensure that your brand looks premium, whether the user is browsing in light mode or dark mode. Finally, let's look at the Product List Item section. This is where you can fine-tune the specific typography and colors for your product displays. You have the ability to set the product title color and its font weight, as well as the product price color and weight. To help your sales stand out, you can even customize the Compare at Price color and font weight. These small details ensure that your pricing and product names are always perfectly readable for your customers. Once you are satisfied with your colors, typography, and product styles, click the Save button in the top navigation bar. This will lock in your design preferences across the entire platform. Remember, while most visual updates appear instantly in your preview, some changes, like new custom fonts, will require a fresh app build to be visible to your live customers. With your theme settings now fully configured, your app has a professional, branded look that aligns perfectly with your store's identity. Taking the time to fine-tune these global styles ensures a consistent and high-quality experience for your customers on every page. Create a beautifully branded app that your customers will love. Install Evlop to get started.